Your heart skips a beat over 100,000 times every single day. That's not a poetic exaggeration, it's the non-stop work your body does just to keep you alive. Each beat is a tiny electrical storm, and sometimes, things get a little out of sync. Ever wondered what actually happens when you get the hiccups? It's not just a weird noise or an annoying spasm. Hiccups are your body's desperate attempt to slam the brakes and reset your internal rhythm, especially when something throws your heartbeat off track. This rhythm reset happens because your diaphragm suddenly contracts, sending a jolt through your system. It's like your body hitting the refresh button, trying to get your heartbeat and breathing back in perfect sync, even if it feels awkward or silly in the moment. So the next time you have hiccup, remember, it's your body's secret emergency system in action, working behind the scenes to keep your lifeline perfectly timed.